Welcome to another episode of PSYWAR. I'm Sergeant Emily Duhaime, and today we are going over the top 6 tips to help you be successful in the psychological operation, assessment, and selection process. Tip number 1, set goals. Take the time to set realistic goals and expectations. This is a simple one that we see in our day-to-day lives. We all have to start from somewhere. Think to yourself what you want to accomplish, and make a plan on how to get there. Be realistic with your weaknesses and strengths. Setting goals is the first step to accomplishing anything. Be patient, and remember, a goal without a timeline is just a dream. Remain focused and don't get discouraged. Stick with it. Tip number 2, remain resilient. For many of us, selection can be considered one of the most challenging times we will experience in our lives, both physically and mentally. It is important that you keep a level head and try to avoid making rash decisions. Use your skills and strengths to overcome obstacles and recover from challenges. By design, you will fail at some point during selection. Do not allow that one failure to become many failures by getting down on yourself. Learn from it and move on. Remember, if it were easy, anyone would do it. Tip number 3, be a team player. Being on a team and working well with others is a big part of military life. This is something everyone needs to know and to be comfortable with. In regards to special operations, this is an essential factor. Be adaptable, because sometimes things don't go right the first time. Brush yourself off and try again. You need to collaborate, be positive, and be supportive to your teammates. Remember, you are all going through the same thing together. Being a downer isn't going to help anyone. Be motivated throughout your experience. It's contagious, and most successful teams have fun together and trust each other. Tip number 4, be physically prepared for anything. Have a training program to help you prepare physically. While at selection, you're going to be on your feet for a very long time. There will be foot marches and other physical obstacles you will endure. Prioritize long walks with weight on your back and endurance-focused training. Physical preparation will not happen overnight. It will take commitment and discipline. This training will reduce the chance of injury during selection. Set your goals and work toward them day by day. It will pay off in the end by having the ability to help your teammates and yourself through any endeavor. Tip number 5, build confidence in public speaking. Not everyone likes to talk in front of a crowd or to discuss a topic when they don't feel comfortable in public. But as a PSYOP soldier, it's something you will be evaluated on. Just remember that being nervous is normal. Always try your best not to associate that nervousness with poor performance. Take some time before selection to practice this skill. Here are a few ideas. Speak in front of your friends or someone you are comfortable with to get their feedback. If you are alone, you can talk to a mirror or record yourself. Focus on speaking without long pauses and avoid using filler words like and Remember, the 5 P's to success: prior planning prevents poor performance. Tip number 6, basic writing skills. Just like public speaking, basic essay writing will be a part of your life as a PSYOP soldier. Take this time to practice and learn expressing your thoughts on a subject in proper APA format. This will go a long way to helping you focus on other tasks in selection. There are countless free writing exercises available online for you to try. We have linked a few in the video description below. Remember, it doesn't have to be perfect, but work on articulating your thoughts from your head to paper so others can understand your ideas. Thank you for listening to this episode of PSYWAR. You can find more information at goarmysoft.com.